Times Square is one of the most popular tourist destinations in the world. It attracts more than 360,000 people every day and has become a crossroads in the world. Times Square is located at the intersection of Broadway and 7th Avenue, Avenue of Americas, in New York City. It was named after the New York Times, one of the city's major newspapers. It's been a place for celebrations and protests alike since it opened on March 14, 1907. Every year as the clock nears midnight on December 31st, the eyes of the world turn to the symbolic center of New York City. New Year's Eve in Times Square has become more than just a celebration, it's a global tradition. The New Year's Eve tradition at Times Square started in 1904 when the ball descended from its pole to signal the start of 1905. The celebration was so popular that it became an annual event. In 1948 the crowd was more than 1 million. In 1972 over 2 million people gathered to watch Dick Clark start his New Year tradition of New Year's Rockin' Eve, which lasted until his death in 2012. Times Square continues to be the center of New Year's Eve celebrations in New York, America, and the world. This has been USA Guy, thanks for watching.